With the possibility of the Fed cutting rates in the second half of the year, like you alluded to, what adjustments would you advise investors make in the Asian fixed income space?
In terms of the Asian fixed income broadly, the investment grade market obviously benefits quite a bit from stabilization in terms of rates, and even more so in terms of the rates rallying. And I think that's a market that usually can withstand a slowdown in terms of economic data. So that's a market which is kind of where in the sweet spot. In the local currency market, before I talk about the high yield market, in the local currency market, we see some opportunities in some currencies. For instance, we like the Singapore dollar at this point. We think that the Thai baht will outperform as well this year, particularly as the tourism flows come back. In the high yield market, we see more idiosyncratic opportunities. The Asia high yield market obviously has been battered by the China property crisis. We continue to see some idiosyncratic opportunities in places like Indian renewables, as well as Macau, and even within China. So I think it's more of a market that will be conducive for there has been quite a bit of dispersion, so it's more conducive to fundamental research-driven opportunities, uncovered opportunities in terms of idiosyncratic trades. As opposed to just last year, particularly the first half of the year and the third quarter, the theme really was the monetary policy, which was dominating all other trades.
Green bonds, sustainable finance seems to be gaining a lot of momentum. What are some of the trends you see shaping or in terms of issuance, in terms of demand for this type of income?
Yeah, we see more issuance, particularly out of Asia, in terms of green, social, and other types of sustainable bonds. I think the theme will continue to see increased issuance. And the other theme that we have been seeing is that there has been a bit of a spread that is developing particularly between extremes. So essentially, let's say that there's a heavy polluter and another one that is more focused on green and sustainability, green technology and sustainability, even if they are in the same kind of industry or segment. What we're seeing is that there has been more of a discrimination by the investor